For more than 40 years, Exposition has been at the heart of the industry. We've been called many names, but our mission has remained constant, bringing together the nation's landscape and outdoor power equipment industry in Louisville, Kentucky. What began as a regional exposition has flourished into the ultimate experience for landscape and outdoor power equipment professionals. Today, Equip spans over 1.2 million square feet with nearly 30,000 attendees. Each expansion of the show has brought more attendees, bigger exhibits, and the latest education to challenge the status quo. Step outside and you'll find our legendary 30-acre demonstration area where the industry comes alive. Mowers carving perfect lines, chainsaws roaring through the timber, UTVs conquering the test tracks, and excavators moving dirt, all showcasing the evolution of our event alongside Kentucky's beautiful landscape. Downtown Louisville is home to the iconic Turf Mutt Great Lawn in the nation's #1 waterfront park. When your city celebrates the outdoors as much as we do, you know you've found the perfect match. This year, we honor our 42nd show and our Kentucky roots with Equip Reserve 42 Backyard Blend, an award-winning small batch bourbon. This limited release was named by one of our show attendees. It's our way of showcasing what makes Louisville and Kentucky unique in the world. Louisville isn't just our destination, it's our home. And this year, we celebrate the industry's 42nd show, our family reunion. Easy to reach from anywhere in the country, affordable for everyone, and filled with warm hospitality and award-winning food. Join us this October to shape the future of the landscape and outdoor power equipment community.